Requesting a leave of absence is made as easy as possible. Just select the desired date from the calendar. You can also click and drag the mouse over several dates or select a whole month. The selection is marked in blue and the period is reflected in the New Request section on the right, including the number of days you are about to request. To complete your request, click the Request button. In the window that opens, you will see Period. If you have selected just one day, you can also specify whether your absence will be for half day or a specific period of time if the setting for part days is enabled. Leave category and type: paid, unpaid, sick leave, or compensation. Based on the selected leave category, one or more types of leave will be available. The list may vary depending on your system's setting. Vacation replacement: the person who will substitute you while you are on vacation. Notify: you can specify up to 5 colleagues to be notified that you are on leave. The option is active after the checkbox that appears at the front is marked. Comments: optional field where you can add more information about the request. Attachment: you can attach a file if it is enabled for this type of leave. After entering the information, click on Request button. You should see confirmation message popping up.